Welcome. In front of me is ACER Swift Go, and in this video I will show you how to change touchpad sensitivity on this laptop. First, open the Start menu right here, then go to Settings. In Settings, select Bluetooth and Devices, then go to Touchpad, and here you can change the cursor speed, and by moving this toggle either to the left to decrease it or to the right to increase it, you can change the touchpad sensitivity. The default value is 5, and from here you can go anywhere you like. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.